Pets have been man's companions since ancient times, whether it's a dog wagging its tail at the sight of its owner, a cat curling up in a cozy corner, or a parrot mimicking human words. Pets bring a unique sense of joy, comfort, and companionship. Among our relationships in life, the bond with a pet is one of the purest, as it is built on unconditional love and mutual trust. This is a reflects on the experience of having a pet, the responsibilities it entails, and the joy it brings. Choosing a pet. The choice of a pet depends on a individual personality, lifestyle, and preferences. Some prefer active pets like dogs that need walking and playing, while others opt for quiet and low maintenance animals like fish or birds. For me, the choice was a Labrador retriever named Bruno. Ever since he came into our home, he became an inseparable part of our family. His friendly eyes, loyal nature, and boundless energy made him not just a pet but a true friend, a new family member. Bruno was just a small puppy when we brought him home. Initially, he was shy and unsure, but within a few days, he adjusted to his new surroundings. He would follow us everywhere, curious about every little sound and scent. His presence added a new rhythm to our daily life. We had to plan our routines around his feeding, bathing, and walking schedules. It was almost like taking care of a baby. What amazed me the most was Bruno's ability to understand emotions. Whenever someone in the house was sad, he would quietly sit beside them, resting his head on their lap. If someone was happy, he would jump around in excitement, wagging his tail as if he could feel the joy. Over time, he learned commands like sit, stay, fetch, and even responded to his new with enthusiasm. The joy pets brings. The companionship of a pet can never be underestimated. Bruno's playful behavior made even the dullest days brighter. He would often wake me up by licking my face or jumping onto the bed. During the evening, we would go for a long walk in the park. He would run freely, sniffing around, making friends with other dogs, and occasionally chasing birds. Playing with him reduced my stress and made me feel happy. Studies have shown that spending time with pets lowers blood pressure, reduces anxiety, and promotes physical activity. I can personally vouch for these benefits after long hours of studying or working. Just sitting next to Berno's or petting him would refresh my mind. Responsibility and commitment. However, owning a pet is not just fun and games. It comes with serious responsibilities. Pets are living beings that need love, care, and attention. Feeding them on time, keeping them clean, ensuring they get vaccination, and regularly tracking them to the vet are all part of pet ownership. There were times where Bruno fell sick. Seeing him weak and in pain was heartbreaking. During those days, we would sit by his side, trying to comfort him. It taught me patience, empathy, and the importance of caring for others selflessly. Moreover, pets require training and discipline, teaching Bruno not to chew on furniture, bark unnecessarily, or run outside without a permission required consist effort and patience. But the results were rewarding. He became a well-behaved dog who understood boundaries and commands, a friend in need. Pets, especially dogs, are known for their. Bruno proved this time and again once while we were on a picnic, a stranger approached us and started behaving specially. Bruno immediately became alert, stood between us and the stranger, and started barking loudly. His protective instincts kicked in and he made sure we were safe. Such incidents made me realize how much he cared for us. During the lonely days of the pandemic lockdown, when human interactions were limited, Bruno was my constant companion. He listened without judgment, stayed by my side, and gave me the emotional support I needed. His presence made the isolation bearable. The pain of loss. One of the most painful aspects of having a pet is that their lifespan is much shorter than ours. The thought of losing Bruno one day is unbearable. Pets become family, and their loss leave a deep void. However, the memories, love, and happiness they leave behind are priceless. Many pet owners go through immense grief when their pets pass away, but most would agree that the time spent with their pets is worth every tear shed. It teaches us to appreciate every moment, to love unconditionally, and to find joy in small things. Lessons from pets. Having a pet like Bruno's has taught me countless life lessons from responsibility and patience to love and loyalty. The experience has shaped me as a person. It has made me more compassionate, disciplined, and emotionally strong. Pets teach us to live in the present. They do not hold grudge, do not judge, and find happiness in simple things. A game of fetch, a warm cuddle, or a walk in the park in today's fast-paced world where stress and competition dominate. Pets bring us back to the basics of life, love, care, and concessions. Conclusions, a pet is not just an animal that lives in our houses. It is a companion, a teacher, and a loyal friend. The bond shared with a pet is beyond word. It is felt in action, emotions, and silent companionship. My experience with Bruno has been one of the most enriching chapters of my life. He is more than a pet, he is family. If you ever get a chance to adopt a pet, do it not just for yourself, but for the life you will touch with love and care. In return, you will receive a treasured trove of unconditional affections and unforgettable memories.